Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create Amazon account without phone number. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Step 1 is opening the Amazon sign up page. So first of all, simply open any browser on your mobile phone, go to the search bar, type in amazon.com, hit enter, and this is going to take you to this page. So this page has a sign in button at the top right. Now click on this sign in button at the top right and it will take you to another page where you can log in or create a new account. So I'm going to click on the option Create New Account. After you click on this option, you will get 3 fields. The first one is first and last name, so simply enter your first and last name. Then in the mobile number or email section, what you'll have to do is simply enter your email instead of mobile number. So you'll have to just enter any email that you have and click on Create a Password. So basically create a strong password and click on Verify Email button. After you click on Verify Email button, it is going to take you to another page. Now on this page, you will see the Enter Security Code option. Simply open Gmail. After opening your Gmail, just copy the OTP you have received. Then navigate back to that same page and write your code and tap on Verify button. After you do this, it is going to take you to this page where you can use Face ID, fingerprint, or PIN to sign in. So you can create a passkey on this page or just click on Skip button. After you click on Skip, you will see that your account has been successfully created without any phone number. And that's it. So that's basically how you can create Amazon account without phone number. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.